Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add a beautiful looking and an SEO optimized blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at Kajabi and how to add a blog to your Kajabi landing page. Let's get right into it. Alright, I'm now in my Kajabi account and I just click on website and then I go to pages. I just add a new landing page, so I click on landing and I click on new landing page. Just to make this easier, I choose a blank template, get started, my new landing page. Great, so this is our blank template. Let me just remove this block here, delete this block. Alright, so now let's click on add content and go to custom code. Click on custom code and here's our custom code. We can change the width to, for example, 12 columns, so it's going to be full width. You can obviously do it differently, but I like a full width. And then here under code we want to put our BlogHandy code. So let's just go to BlogHandy and go to the code snippet. Step 1, we click on copy and here we paste it, go back to BlogHandy and we copy the second step code and we paste it and we just click on save. Perfect. You can already see in the preview how our blog is loading, and let's click on save. We click on back, and there we have our new landing page. Let's view it. Just click here on the three dots, copy URL, and we just gonna pop that in here, and this is our new landing page URL. With that URL you have to go to BlogHandy, to settings, and you have to put it into the blog URL section and just click on save all changes. Perfect. So we've got the blog here. You can see that, for example, the headlines are quite big because BlogHandy just takes over the existing style and feel of your landing page. So depending on your template, depending on your landing page, it might be smaller, larger, it might look completely different to what you can see in my video here. If you're not happy about it, there are two things you can always do. The first thing is, under settings layout, you can switch to a different template, for example the pop grid, and you just refresh it here and it's already adjusted. And the second option you have, if you want to change the font size of headings, heading 1, heading 2, subheadings, you can just go further down here and under custom CSS you can write your own CSS code to change anything you want. If you're not feeling comfortable with those changes, just reach out to the team and we're very happy to help you to fully customize your blog to your liking, free of charge. Just reach out to us. Thanks a lot for listening, and if you've got any other questions regarding BlogHandy and Kajabi, just reach out to me and I'm happy to assist you. Happy blogging and bye bye for now.